Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. That's some Mead and Black paint. Probably a skinnier stream than I was anticipating. I want to do a swipe on this 14 by 14 inch pre-primed canvas. I didn't pre-prime it. Yeah, that's not really enough. Hate to have to do that twice. That'll probably work fine. We'll deal with that droplet of paint later. I think my head isn't. Yes, it is. Come on. Wow, I shook it. Now I'm going to wing this. I haven't done a swipe like this in a while. I'm looking forward to it, as long as I keep getting my head out of the way. So I've got Chantilly lace. I really like the French silk I just used. I'm not sure. I think I'll save that. I'm going to use some Decoart Americana 24 karat gold. Dancing Fuchsia was open a minute ago. I'm going to add a little bit of something else, something like periwinkle. And I'm going to go with the Tiger's Eye, which is a Prizm pour. I'm a Colourarte affiliate, so you can find a promo code in the description. Colourarte products. That's a Prizm pour. Dancing Fuchsia was a purely pigment. I'm going to go for the Orange Crush. And some sour lemon with Holly Berry in it. It occurred to me I hadn't actually figured out what cell activator I was going to use before I did this, but that's okay. I've got some Plum Blossom, which is not very open. Looks a lot like the periwinkle right now. I would normally think that I needed some, maybe I do. Maybe I'll saffron it. Periwinkle is a vivid, intense fluorescent. Saffron is a Prizm pour. I have some other color that I can use up. It's a Holly Berry added to a Crimson Lust. A Holly Berry is a purely pigment. This is basically an insurance policy. Since I have no idea how this is going to work out at all, but I am going to grab the Dancing Fuchsia and the Cobalt Atelier, and I'm going to throw that spatula in the bucket before the paint dries on anymore. Yeah. Okay, rubber brushes or playing cards. My rubber brushes are just drying in the dish rack. Let's see how this is going to work. We'll start in the center. I've got a combination of Dancing Fuchsia. I might want some gold in there. At this point, I'd rather have too much paint than not enough. And Atelier, Cobalt Turquoise. Wow, I made it to the other side. That's always a good thing. And I like the colors. I might want to wipe them off. Wipe off my spatula. I might want to start from a different direction. I think I'm going to use some orange in the next row because it's all on purple. And the Dancing Fuchsia again, hoping I'm not going to run out of it. I'm going to wing it. This wasn't part of my plan. But I'm not minding it. I'm just going to do it again, that's all. I want more paint off of that than that. Okay, so let's do that again. And I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and grab the black cell activator because I like how it looks on the gold. And I know I don't have to wait for me to dredge up some of the black color from the edge if I use the right color cell activator. This is Amsterdam Black, and Australian Floetrol is in all my colors. And I'll probably either blow that off. I'm going to go for the teal. Tempted by purple, dark purple. My dioxazine purple is super old. I'm never less than nervous when I use it. But I don't think a couple drops will hurt anything. Looks like my edges are going to get black. That was awesome. Wow. I'll be doing that again. Tempted to tip it. I'm going to go for something weird. I'm going to go for orange. Maybe black too. Do I dare? No, I don't. I could have used the Dancing Fuchsia, and maybe I will in a minute. tempted to try it without, but I want enough paint. Alright, I'm going for the cobalt again. Cobalt, Atelier Cobalt Turquoise. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm loving the more random look, which is something I've been after for quite a while. To be less symmetrical. Delicious. Ha! Really, really happy with this. I continue with my turquoise. I've got a darker teal, but I think I'm going to resist this time. Everything is more forgivable when it's organic too. Look at that. That is so gorgeous. I refuse to leave paint behind. If I can salvage it, I will. My colors are always so beautiful as far as I'm concerned anyway. I keep trying to not wipe off my tool and wipe it on my pants, but they're so covered with nubbies of paint that I can't do anything about it. Alright, I'm going for the combination. Am I? No, I'm going to go for the orange. That was my muse screaming in my ear. No! If we get a little weird texture, we're going to embrace it today. And we are getting a little weird texture. I'm going to keep trying to wipe off my silicone rubber brush. I will include the link under the video and the colors. Really, really happy with this. Trying to figure out what to do now to make sure I stay happy with it. I want that to be, if I do that, it's going to be off. I'm going to do it anyway. Maybe I'll split the difference. That sounds like a good plan. Love, love, love the Dancing Fuchsia with the cobalt. Should use a wider brush. But I don't mind getting some of that black left behind at all. Not a problem. Still a little more gold. And a combination again. I want a bunch of things. That's the dioxazine purple. That's a master's touch from Hobby Lobby. So, Dancing Fuchsia, turquoise, and now obviously I could have run that black up much closer to the center, but I didn't want to take a chance. If I tip it, this is the only thing I'm really wanting to tip. I'm under the impression that there's enough paint there, it looks like it, so it'll fill back in. Otherwise, I'm pretty well done. Although there is always the option for me to put a few spirals in, which I do like to do, and I haven't done for a while. And I've got a new tool, I think, one of my nail art tools. Oh, that's a perfect place for them. I should probably torch. Wow, there's something in there. I wouldn't have found that if I hadn't done that. Not even sure what it is, but it's out now. I think that's enough, and any idea I had of tipping has pretty much gone away. But I will torch, and I'm finally satisfied that I got the organic uneven effect that I've been looking for forever. Thank you for joining me. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for watching longer. It speaks to the YouTube algorithm. My email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com if you'd like to inquire about taking a class with me at the house in Spring Hill, Florida, one-on-one, or purchasing an artwork. Linked, or you'll find promo codes for Colourarte products and pixel paint designs, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, a couple of my websites, my Amazon link. Volumes 1 and Volumes 2 of my books are on the Amazon link, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, the first and the second 100 videos I made for YouTube. Questions are welcome and encouraged. My community board will show you tomorrow's video at around 2 p.m. hopefully. Now there's something else. Thank you. Thank you to all my patrons. Thank you to the members. Thank you to those of you who use PayPal to make a donation to keep me painting. Thank you so much. I appreciate you guys endlessly, and you inspire me always. My paint pouring recipes below show more, and I have 34 playlists of 100 videos each, and everything's organized by topic and genres. If you need anything, don't forget, ask questions. It's fine. Thank you for being here. Bye for now. Priscilla out.